Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix cookies are disabled. Your browser has cookies disabled. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, open your settings, then go to the apps, then search here Google Chrome. Press on force stop, press on force stop, press on storage, press on clear data, press on manage space, then press on clear all data. Before clearing the data, read this sentence. Before clearing the data, read this sentence. All Google search feed and Google Now launcher data on this device will be permanently deleted. Then press on OK. After that, go back, open your Chrome, press on 3 dot top right side corner, press on settings. Here a little bit scroll down, then select here site settings, press on cookies, then select here allow cookies. After selecting this, restart your mobile, fixed your problem. So in this way we fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.